Nice, we done our dive bridge, guys. We learned how to kick, the Benson kick. Now, I'm gonna show you one of the ways to escape. Yeah, we call Es-keevas. We used to duck under the kick, or through a kick, or dodge a kick, however you call it. Yeah, in Portuguese, in Capoeira, we call it Es-keeva. There is many ways of doing Es-keeva, there is many styles, and there is same Es-keeva, some groups call it different. I call it Esquiva Lateral because it's a lateral movement. Okay, so let's look into that. So position of the ginga, whatever leg I have at the back is the first step for the Es-keeva for now. We can do it from the front leg as well. We're going to do it from the back leg. So, which means the first movement comes from the back leg. Position of the ginga, I'm going to bring my back leg in parallel with my front leg. So I'm going to step here. Once I go down, I'm going to lean now. Imagine there is a kick coming this direction towards my head. I'm going to lean towards the leg. So it's almost like a lateral lunge. The only difference is I'm going to keep both knees bent. Some groups, they lock the leg. I don't. Why? Because if someone lands the kick here, my leg is locked. It can cause more damage to my knee. If it's bent, at least I got some leverage to spin my leg or to land. Yeah, so I personally like to keep my leg bent. I still lean as much as I can. How low? It depends on how high the person is doing the kick. If it's a really high kick, I might not need to go low, but I prefer to practice going as low as I can because it improves my flexibility and I get used to that. It's easier to go less if I'm used to go down, lower, than if I only practice going here and then the day that I need to go low, my body is not conditioning for that. What does the arm do? At the same time I step to the side, I'm leaning and I'm changing my arm. So this arm goes at the back, make sure you're not resting here. So there, in line with my shoulder, and this one is blocking. So this one is blocking my ribs and my face. Be careful not to cover your face with the arm. Here is enough, I can see what's coming towards my way. And then same leg goes back. So that's what we're gonna do. Now let me show the Esquiva Lateral from the front leg. Yeah, it's not that I'm moving the front leg, but I'm gonna lean towards the front leg. When I was doing from the back leg, that means I was leaning towards the back leg. So let's go. Position of the ginga. Now, because the front leg, I'm gonna lean towards my front leg. It's a bit more unusual, but depends on which side the person's kicking. You gotta be able to move on each direction. So now let's practice. The arms stays the same because I'm already going towards my front leg. I just need to concentrate on the timing. If I lean forward and then try to move my leg, it doesn't feel natural because my weight is already completely on top of my leg. So the leg will generate the first movement. So as I'm stepping to my leg, to the side, it's still going sideways, I'm leaning my head that way, slightly in front of my knee. So here, step and then come back. Note that I bend both legs. So here, I don't lock the knee, I bend and then I sink into the leg. So I can shift the way, I can do whatever I want and then back. So I'm not going to change my arm. I can just do a quick change after we get used to it, but for now, we're going to keep simple.